Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude in VS Code. To get started, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. This is where you'll install the Claude extension so you can access it directly inside your coding workspace. If VS Code is already open, you can simply bring it to the front and make sure you're on the main editor screen before moving on. Once VS Code is open, look to the left-hand side of the window for the navigation bar. In that sidebar, click on the extensions icon. This is the area where you can browse, search for, and install add-ons that expand what VS Code can do. If you're new to VS Code, extensions are one of the easiest ways to customize your setup and add helpful tools. After opening the extensions panel, move to the search bar at the top of that section and type in Claude. This will filter the available extensions and help you quickly find the one you need. Be sure to type the name clearly so the correct result appears. If the list takes a moment to refresh, just give it a second while VS Code loads the results. When you see Claude appear in the search results, click on it to open the extension details page. This page gives you more information about the extension, including its name, description, and installation options. Taking a quick look here can help confirm that you've selected the right extension before installing it. Next, click the Install button. VS Code will begin downloading and installing the extension for you. This usually only takes a short moment, depending on your internet connection and system speed. During installation, you may see the button change status, and once it's complete, the extension will be added to your editor. After the install finishes, Claude will be available inside VS Code, making it easier to work without switching back and forth between different tools. If prompted, you can allow VS Code to complete any setup the extension needs. In some cases, extensions may ask you to reload the editor after installation. So if that appears, go ahead and follow that prompt to make sure everything is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed Claude in VS Code. From here, you can begin exploring how it fits into your workflow and use it directly within your development environment.